100 push-ups a day challenge. How it affects your health and mindset. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an exciting challenge that has been gaining popularity, the 100 push-up a day challenge. This challenge involves performing 100 push-ups daily for a set period of time. And it has been shown to have numerous benefits for both our health and mindset. First, let's talk about the physical benefits of pushing our limits with 100 push-ups per day. Incorporating this challenge can help improve your core strength, increase muscle mass, and enhance overall upper body fitness. Additionally, push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be done virtually anywhere, making it accessible to people of all fitness levels. But what about the mental benefits of the 100 push-up a day challenge? Engaging in this challenge can lead to increased self-confidence, enhanced focus, and a stronger determination to overcome obstacles. Push-ups are a mental exercise that involves focusing on proper form and executing the movement correctly, which can help develop mental toughness and resilience. Moreover, the 100 push-up a day challenge can also have positive effects on your mental health. Studies have shown that regular physical activity can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. By consistently pushing ourselves to perform 100 push-ups, we're setting ourselves up for success and cultivating a healthier mindset. In conclusion, the 100 push-up a day challenge offers a fantastic opportunity to improve our physical and mental well-being. Incorporating this challenge into our routine can help us build stronger muscles, enhance our focus, and cultivate a healthier mindset. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and experience the benefits for yourself? Start with just 10 push-ups per day and gradually increase the number as you become more comfortable and confident with the exercise. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving our fitness goals. Happy pushing!